So now our topic cluster is ready. You can access all of your topic clusters or keyword clusters through via the menu Cluster, My Topic Clusters. So let's click on the last one, it's the one we just created. And now the goal will be to explore the interface, select a keyword cluster that makes sense, and start building a content plan. But first, let me explain the interface. So here you have the name, obviously, your domain that you enter, all the parameters that you enter when you created the cluster. You can download the report. We will see in another video what is inside this report and how you can leverage it. You have some statistics here, your visibility inside the cluster. So here you can see that our domain is only visible in 8% of the cluster. And also another metric, page 1 ranking, because we uploaded keywords and our domain is only visible in 3% of the on the page 1 for every keyword. So there were 403 keywords in the report. This is my domain. This is also the page rank in through. It's a domain authority. You will see later on why it can be really interesting to know your domain authority because you will be able to compare your domain authority versus your competitors. Here we have the number of keywords that you uploaded and the number of clusters that has been created. The most important view is this one. So here's a cluster tab. You have all the clusters. You can explore them and I will show you how. You have two views, the card view and the table view. Up to you to decide which one you prefer. Usually I prefer the card view. I think it's nicer. On the other side here you have different filters and we will use them very soon. And now let me focus on a specific card. So one card shows you a lot of information. First you have the main topic, so basically it's your leading keyword. Here you see all the related keywords. There is 14 keywords in this cluster. You can see all of them here. So this is what I explained previously. All of these clusters show more or less the same SERP. So you don't need to create an article about what is marketing automation and one about how those marketing automation works because it's more or less the same SERP. So here we will see when we start to deep dive into the cluster and how to structure the content. But basically, yes, these two questions, these two topics lead to the same SERP. So just create one single article. So here is my main topic. Also here you can see it's my best page for this cluster. So, and it's ranking at the position 20 on average. It means that for the 14 keywords, on average, our ranking is 20. You also have here the intent. So the search intent. thruuu is also analyzing the search intent per cluster and grouping them, and classifying them per intent. Also, thruuu is categorizing the cluster. We'll see that later on with the hub view. So also clusters are to some extent tagged by category. Here I already said number of keywords, the volume of the main keyword, the average PR. So here it's important because you can also know the average competitiveness of a cluster. We are 58. And we have 58 and here the average is 60 because later on you will see when we need to select some cluster, we can also use this information to find cluster where the competition is not so strong. Finally, there is also information about the SERP features, the most dominant SERP feature. For instance here, AI overview 100%. So it means that for all of these keywords, for the 14, for all of them, there is one AI overview. PAA also all the time here. Related searches all the time. Video 64%. So it means that some keywords are triggering a video, not all of them, but it gives you indication about also, if a SERP feature is quite dominant, for instance, the video one, maybe it makes sense as well that you create a video. There is also the forum. Here you can see forums. Also here 50% for this cluster. So also it can give you indication about how to diversify your strategy, because we don't only speak about content. Obviously, the main goal will be to select topics, and that will be future articles. But also, we can think about creating videos that will support these articles, or starting to engage in specific Reddit discussion, and thruuu will show you that when we start to deep dive into each cluster. Also about the filter, here you have different filters, ranking status, so you can see if you are ranking or not. So basically you are ranking, so it shows all the cluster where you are ranking. You show not ranking, all the cluster where you are not ranking. So here, if you want to select greenfield content or greenfield article where you are no topic yet. Content, just it's because something I didn't tell you. You can also analyze a cluster and create a brief. So we'll see that in a future video, in the next video. But basically here, when you have analyzed a cluster, you can also select the one that have been already analyzed. So here we didn't analyze anything yet, so it's empty. Also here, you can select the cluster where you already have a brief created. Here, intent, so you can also filter by intent. Category is a category that I will show you in the next video. You can create also your own, so you can also group your cluster inside categories. Top domains, you can also check, these are the top domains, so your main competitors within the set of keywords. And you can maybe also check, I don't know, HubSpot might be one of my competitors. I can display the cluster where HubSpot is visible. SERP feature, also you can select cluster where, for instance, AI overview is quite strong, and that has also a forum and a video. Let's see if there is some cluster. Yes, there are. So here you find all these clusters where, as I said, there is AI overview, video, and forum. So it's quite good to guide your, to find, as I said, new type of content. And finally, you have also a slider where you can filter based on your ranking position, based on the volume, based on the page rank. So this will be good if you want to find a low, not low hanging fruit, but let's say cluster or topics that where the competition is not that strong. Also here you can select per cluster size. When you click on that, you will add it to your favorites, and then you can display all your favorites. And also here you can hide one if you want to, I don't know, some cluster might be off or you don't want to display them for some reason, you can hide them. Also there is cluster, you can see sometimes some keywords are alone because they were not matching any other keywords, so they are just alone. If you want, you can also hide the singleton. You can also display the hidden one when you hide some of them. And at the end, you can reset all the features. All right, so now you understand the interface. Let's move to the next step, and we will start creating or selecting topics to include in our content plan.